In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make aesthetic Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right look, keep everything consistent, and polish your deck so it feels professional and effortless. First, start by picking a clean, cohesive theme. A good theme sets the tone and saves time, so look for something simple, with generous spacing and readable fonts. If nothing feels right, customize your own. Choose a limited color palette. 2 neutrals and 1 accent usually works best, and set your default fonts and colors so they apply across the entire deck. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep everything accessible and easy on the eyes. Next, keep your typography consistent. Use the same fonts and sizes for titles, subtitles, and body text throughout. A single font family with clear weight variations is often enough, or pair one display font for headings with a clean sans serif for body text. As a guide, make your title large enough to anchor the slide, and keep body text readable without crowding. Adjust line spacing slightly so paragraphs breathe, and avoid mixing too many styles, which can look messy fast. Now enhance your visuals with high-quality images, icons, or illustrations. Choose assets that support your message and share a similar style, whether that's line icons or soft illustrations. Stick to sharp, high-resolution images and maintain consistent color treatment. If an image dominates the slide, balance it with a simple caption or a clean shape overlay. Consider light compression to keep your file size manageable, and add descriptive alt text for better accessibility. Keep your layout minimal and uncluttered. One idea per slide is a great rule of thumb. Use plenty of white space so elements don't feel cramped, and resist the urge to fill every corner. When you have more to say, place details in the speaker notes rather than on the slide. This keeps your audience focused on the key message. Bring subtle polish with transitions and animations. Simple fades are usually enough. Keep durations short and consistent from slide to slide. If you animate elements, use gentle appear effects rather than distracting movements, and animate in a logical order that mirrors how you'd explain the content. Finally, use grids or shapes to align everything neatly. Turn on guides and snap to features so text boxes, images, and icons line up perfectly. Distribute items evenly and align edges to create a tidy, professional rhythm. Little alignment tweaks go a long way. That's it. With a thoughtful theme, consistent type, intentional visuals, clean layouts, subtle motion, and precise alignment, your Google Slides will look cohesive and elevated.